What's up everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I'm not really going to be vlogging anything about my day. I'm actually going to tell you about something that a lot of you have been asking me for a very long time. And it's something that I've been wanting to work on for a very long time, but I never get the chance to. So I figured I'd do something that would be kind of beneficial for me and you. So in case you don't already know, or this is the first time you're watching me on this channel, my name is Dan and I'm a wholesaler / investor out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been wholesaling now for almost 4 years. Can't believe it. Time flies. I've been on YouTube for 3 years. And even though my channel has grown over the years, one question has always stayed the same with a lot of you: whether I have any coaching, mentorship, or a course that you're able to take. I finally am going to have some type of course or mentorship program, but a little bit outside of what you would normally see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a mastermind on July the 18th at 7 p.m. If you want to join me, you can reach me at Dan.Buys.Instagram@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram, Dan.Buys.Houses. That way I can send you the link to go ahead and sign up for it. Now I am going to be doing this through Zoom, and it is not for free, only because my time is extremely valuable. So the only way that I'm able to do something like this is if I do charge for it. So there is going to be a $500 entrance fee in order to get into the mastermind, and it's only just to pay for my time. But the value that you're going to get for the $500 is going to be way more than $500. You're going to get my whole 4 years of experience in wholesaling in this mastermind. So I'm going to show you exactly how I market. I'm going to show you how I set up all my tools, how I use my tools. And we're going to cover a lot. We're going to move quickly, but we're going to cover a lot, and we're going to be on there as long as we need to in order to actually get through the whole mastermind. Along with the mastermind, you guys are going to get also a 1-hour coaching call with me. And you'll be able to ask any questions that you want. You'll be able to learn how to do different things or use my styles of marketing and how I'm able to do so many deals and make so much money. Now I know that some of you are like, oh man, I don't have that kind of money. That's cool. You don't have to have that kind of money now. In the future, I might decide to sell the recordings. That way, you guys could enjoy it too. The ones who sign up for the mastermind are obviously going to get first access to all that stuff. Some of you might think, oh, you're just being greedy charging for this information. But this information has been years of me going through a lot of stuff, me paying thousands of dollars for classes, coaching calls, courses, and learning from my own mistakes that have cost me thousands of dollars. So you guys are going to get to learn from me directly. I'm going to be the one conducting this mastermind. It's going to be live, and we are going to answer questions live on air. If you want to sign up or you want more information about this, hit me up. Again, Dan.Buys.Instagram@gmail.com. I'll link my email down in the description, or you can hit me up on Instagram as well, Dan.Buys.Houses. You can also hit me up here in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this wasn't really a long episode or had a lot of information on it, but this is something that might help you out. So hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog.